Hakaway pat kakubor u nong yalam kaseng Trinamool Congress u Dr. Mukul Sangma uloong ba kaseng kan saray na kabenta ki Kyrtong na Shillong Batura Lok Sabha constituency hakapor kabaday. Ka jingkran jong u Dr. Sangma kalong hadin ba kaseng jong u kaladep penyaso dangshen bat kaseng Sinrop India. Habakali syapang kaseng Sinrop INDIA bat lada kaseng TMC kabaday kadekot jong kan ni kaseng Sinrop hatu kan penyeng da u Kyrtong u bayamuan lang na kabenta kan ni ki election u Sangma ula pensyai ba ka jingshem ya karay Halor ka jingjit Kyrtong kan syong kat kum ka jinglong jingman jong kasan perthai.
Rather, what happens due to this political dynamic that's unfolding across the nation. In respect of the parliamentary election, the whole political dynamics that will unfold will be determined by as to what are the decisions that ultimately are finally taken collectively. We'll have to wait for that, because it would be very premature for us to presume and assume and just give you some kind of response which will be considered as on, more of an anticipation, on presumption. So let's wait for the right time.